Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the question given. So we have to find the value of a plus b divided by a minus b. So directly we cannot find out this directly. So first thing, let us start with this if. A square plus b square is equal to 234. And this is given, ab is given as 10a. So you know the formula for this one. A plus this, we don't have direct formula for this one, but we can use this formula first, that is a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this we can also write this formula as, we can take this together and put this 2ab at the side. So now see here, after putting together, what we can see, a square plus b square, and that we already, it's given over here. So that is 234. So for this one, we are going to write here 234 plus this 2 as it is. For AB, again, it is given here 108. So we'll put here 108. So now this is 234 plus, and this when you multiply, that is 216. So when you add this together, you're going to get 450. So this is for a plus b whole bracket square. But we want a plus b and we want a minus b. So let us use the formula for this as well. A minus b whole bracket square. So only the difference is here is plus and here will be minus. Rest everything is the same when you compare these two formulas. So here it will be for a minus b whole bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So again what will we do? We will bring this together and this will take at the side. So we know a square plus b square, that is 234, minus over here 2, and this ab is again given, that is 108. So 234, when you multiply this, that is 216. So this we are going to subtract it, that is 18. So now we got both of them, like a plus b whole bracket square and a minus b whole bracket square. But we want a value of a plus b divided by a minus b. So for a plus b divided by a minus b, what can we do here? We have a plus b, we got the value as 450. So for a plus b means if we square both sides, squaring both sides, what will you get here? A plus b will be root of 450. Again, for what we know here, that is a minus b whole bracket square is 18. We got here as 18. So again, when we square both sides, a minus b is going to be root of 18. So this we got here. So let us write for a plus b as root of 450 and a minus b as root of 18. So this we can also put this as, because both are root, so we can put a single root for that and we can write 450 divided by 18. So now we can simplify this, 2 9s are and 2 225s are. So here I wrote separately 225 divided by 9. So when we take a root of it, root of 225 is, that is a perfect square, that will be 15, and root of 9, that is 3. So again we can simplify this one, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So 5 is the answer. So we want the value of this a plus b, a minus b, that is what we got as 5. That is what they have asked for that. So by this we have completed this question over here. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.